Hello everyone and welcome to this new video from Free Dreams 106 channel. Today we are going to complete the Halloween 3D print series. So in the first episode I showed you 7 models that I printed with the filament machines, while in this one I will show you another 6 models that I've printed on resin machines. So if you have missed the first video, I will leave it right there for you, so you can check it out. But without further ado, let's get right into it. The first print I want to show you is this Pennywise bust, also known as Hit. This Stephen King character is a classic of horror movies, and the film is perfect for Halloween night. As you can see, this bust is super detailed, and you can also print with filament machines if you want, maybe in a little bit bigger format. And if you choose to use an FDM machine, you can play with colors, obviously, but if you want to print it in resin just like I did, you can also paint it later for a realistic look. By the way, I have some good news for newbies of resin printing, because the vast majority of the prints that I'm going to show you comes pre-supported for resin printing, so they are a breeze to slice. Talking about movies, another super famous film for Halloween is without a doubt Nightmare. So Freddy Krueger has frightened a lot of generation, and we couldn't miss it in this ranking. As you can see, it prints in pieces, so there's a base that I didn't print, the bust itself, and the end. Since the end is separated from the body, you can also choose to only print the end for a cosplay or for your collection if you like it. For all the prints that I'm going to show you, I've chosen a high quality resin, the high detail resin from Ins Logic. This resin is meant to be used with high resolution printers for highly detailed model, and this material did deliver. I've used my Anycubic Photon Mono 4 that has a 10K resolution, and I will show you some macros of the prints so you can really appreciate the quality of those models printed with a high quality resin. But now let's proceed with a literature subject, Dracula. I think that we all know Dracula's story, and it's a really famous legend that has brought to life the myth of the vampire that is super popular now. You can also check the movie if you are not into books. As you can see, I've printed it also the base for Dracula. In fact, all the busts that I'm showing you were sculpted and shared by Fotis Mint, a super talented 3D artist that publishes a lot of busts of different characters from different universes, so both from movies and from books. I will leave all the links to the models that I'm showing you down in the description, so you can easily find them. Look at his teeth and eyebrows, they are impressive. Let's move on with another classic creature of Halloween night, the werewolf. There are many models of this character, but I've chosen a miniature, so you can also use it for your Dungeons and Dragons games. And this is the perfect model to show you the difference that a high quality resin with a high resolution machine can make. In fact, I had already printed this file on a 4K resolution machine with a standard resin, but take a look at the difference that there's between these two prints. I mean, it's out of this world to me how different those prints are. You can see the teeth, the hairs, the hair, the hand with the veins. It's shocking. This model is awesome. Not only is a sculpting masterpiece, but it also doesn't need supports at all. So you'll save a ton of material compared to many other models of werewolves that are out there. But we can't miss a pumpkin model in a Halloween video. So here is Jack-o'-lantern with its pretty smile. And you can also print it bigger if you like to, and use a small light under it, so you can create a spooky atmosphere that is perfect for Halloween. I honestly really love this resin. It allows you to capture all the little details of a model. When using it, make sure to set the right exposure to get the best out of this material. In fact, I've noticed that it is a little bit more viscous compared to standard resin, so you may need to increase a little bit your layer exposure. Let's wrap our video with another movie character, Jason from Friday 13. I showed you a print of Jason in the previous video too, so make sure you check it out. And as you can see, this is a bust with a really simple base, so you can easily display this piece. And this model, like the previous that I've showed you, is super realistic. Even at 0.1 millimeter layer height, you can appreciate all the details of this print. For example, look at the texture of the jacket, the head, the mask. I mean, it's really mind-blowing. Let me know in the comment if you'd like some more video about resin printing. In the meantime, you can check it out how to get 3D printers and materials for free.